Want to easily transfer videos from your iPhone to your PC or Mac without any wires? In this video, I'll show you a quick trick using the VLC app that makes it a breeze. So, let's get started. Hey everyone, Praveen here from TechEmpty. If you're like me, you capture a lot of videos on your iPhone, but getting those videos onto your computer can be a hassle, especially if you don't have your cable handy. Luckily, there is a simple wireless solution using the VLC app. Download VLC. First, make sure you have the VLC app installed on your iPhone. It's a free download from the App Store. VLC is a powerful media player that also enables wireless file sharing. Save files to VLC folder. Open the Photos app and select the video files that you want to save on the computer. Now tap on Share icon and choose Save to Files. Herein, on my iPhone location, find the VLC folder and save the files within this folder. Enable sharing in VLC. Open the VLC app on your iPhone and tap on the Network tab at the bottom. Toggle on the sharing via Wi-Fi option. VLC will display an IP address like 192.168.0.103 or a local address like iPhone.local. Make a note of this as you'll need it to access your iPhone from your computer. Connect to iPhone from computer. On your PC or Mac, make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone. Then open up any web browser and type in the IP address or local address provided by VLC. This will bring up a web interface showing the files in your VLC app. From here, you can download any video by clicking on it. The video will save to your computer's downloads folder. Bonus tip for transferring to iPhone. As a bonus, you can also use this to transfer files from your computer to iPhone. In the VLC web interface on your computer, click the plus button in the top right. This lets you select and upload files from your computer to your iPhone. You will find the uploaded files in the Files app under On My iPhone in the VLC folder. So, that's a quick and easy way to transfer videos and other files between your iPhone and computer wirelessly using VLC. No more searching for that Persky cable. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. And if you found this video helpful and want to see more tech tips and tricks, consider joining our channel membership. As a member, you will get exclusive perks like early access to new videos and members only live streams. Hit the join button to learn more and support this channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.